In this morning's Saturday session, we have a rapidly rising singer-songwriter named Anthony D'Amato. The New Jersey native who got an early musical start started studying piano at age 6. He recorded his debut album, Down Wires, in his Princeton University dorm room.
And he never looked back. He released 2 more collections, including the highly regarded Shipwreck from Shore in 2014. His brand new one, just out yesterday, is Cold Snap, and here he is, Anthony D'Amato, with the first single, Rain on a Strange Roof.
With strangers and across an ocean to do it again. I had nightmares, black and white days, rerun, yeah, already know how it ends. Oh, my luck, oh, my kisses, oh, my blood, it spits and hisses. Call my bluff, it's wide and vicious, it's violet light till I hit the switch, 'cause I ain't afraid, but that feeling's creeping. Oh, I ain't in love, but I'll be there soon. Lying awake while she's still sleeping. Oh, now I'm just listening to rain on a strange roof. I've been trusted with hearts I busted. I'm Sisyphus with exquisite gloves. So roll my stone and I check my phone again. It hasn't changed, no it never does. Oh, my luck, oh, my kisses, oh, my blood, it spits and hisses. Call my bluff, it's wide and vicious, it's violet light till I hit the switch, 'cause I ain't afraid, but that feeling's creeping. Oh, I ain't in love, but I'll be there soon. Lying awake while she's still sleeping. Oh, now I'm just listening to rain on a strange roof. Oh, my luck, oh, my kisses, oh, my blood, it spits and hisses. Call my bluff, it's wide and vicious, it's violet light till I hit the switch, 'cause I ain't afraid, but that feeling's creeping. Oh, I ain't in love, but I'll be there soon. Lying awake while she's still sleeping. Oh, now I'm just listening to rain on a strange roof. I'm just listening to rain on a strange roof. I'm just listening to rain on a strange roof. I'm just listening to rain on a strange roof. I'm just listening to rain on a strange roof.
Don't go away. We'll be right back with more music from Anthony D'Amato. You're watching CBS This Morning, Saturday.
Saturday sessions are sponsored by Blue Buffalo. You love your pets like family, so feed them like family with Blue.